I have this data set where I want to create summary by region and customers, the sales made for each customer in each of the region. So let us simply select this entire data, go to insert the pivot tables. Let us select the data already selected. So click new sheet, click OK, new worksheet is created up. I will drag and drop regions under filters, customer under rows, and sales amount column under values area. So here you can see we have got the customer wise sales for all the regions. Now from this drop down of filter, I can select an individual region and the data will be filtered for that accordingly. But now I want to create multiple sheets for each one of the regions. So I will have to go to pivot table analyze tab. Under pivot table analyze, go to pivot table options and click show report filters pages. Region selected, let us click OK. And now here you can see that we have created multiple different sheets for each one of the regions.